Hi to all you lovely people and welcome back to my channel. But if you don't know me, hi, my name is Ayushi, and please before watching the video go and subscribe to my channel below.
Now everybody sing that shit. Now everybody sing that shit.
So for this video, I was actually really glad that I finally have an original idea. But just for my reference, when I searched it up on YouTube, boom, this video is so common. I will be going to some of the most famous coffee cafes in the city and will be tasting and reviewing the coffee. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Hi guys, so I have reached my first location, that is so this is like a coffee branch which is really famous in the whole of Nepal, and like it has its outlets almost in every street here. I have had the coffee here before, but right now I am going to choose my coffee with a twist. And also I am not going to do it alone. I have someone joining me in, but surprisingly today I am early and she is still on her way, so I am waiting for her. And as soon as she gets here, we will start.
1, 2, 3, start. Stop, bunny. Stop.
Mocha madness. Test gun. नाक लगाया मैंने.
की हो गया सब?
ओए.
It's like no taste.
It's like cold coffee.
Cold coffee.
Cold coffee
Tara
hot ma.
You serious?
Tara tasty sa. Try guys. Tasty. So the rating for the first coffee, kati?
Out of 10.
Out of 10. 9. 8.5. 8.5. 8.5 out of 10. So we have reached our second destination, that is so I will be testing the coffee here, and also I will be doing it with my friend. So for here we will be asking the waiter for the special coffee, like whatever they think is the speciality here. So we will be ordering that and hope it tastes good. So right now we've ordered coffee, we don't know which one, so let's wait and see what he gets for us. Instead of coffee, he's got us this pink lemonade, and it is made of beetroot. Healthy. Taste good. 1, 2, 3.
Beetroot ko taste I think we should mix.
It's like after taste is nice, so then first for taste. Lemon ko taste आउँदा चाहिँ it's nice.
Beetroot ko आउँदा चाहिँ
It's okay-ish. तर
Not that
They-
good, not
yeah,
that bad.
it's we're not used to having these kind of drinks. How much should we rate this?
You go first.
6 out of 10. 6 is a 5.
Five.
5.5. 5.5 out of 10. Our third look, she's going to close her eyes and just go on the menu, and whatever her finger lands on is the coffee that we are going to taste. So start. Stop. क्यों आयो? Caramel latte. Taste. Uy, esto. Thula sa.
Caramel taste.
Caramel.
Coffee taste this time.
Tato sa. Tastes good, and the presentation is also nice. So I will give this a 0.59 out of 10. So the second last spot where we are going to taste the coffee is the Urban Press. हाम्रो हामी भन्दा अगाडि जसको पनि जे पनि कफीको अर्डर थियो नि हामीलाई त्यही ल्याइदिनु न ल हुन्छ है बुझ्नुभयो नि थ्याङ्क यू. So as the language was not really clear, I will translate it for you guys. So I had asked the waiter to get us the coffee whatever the customer before us had ordered. So he was a little confused, but we had to make him understand. साँच्चै सुगर छैन.
मैले भनेको थिएँ त.
I don't like cappuccino or sugar. Tada, how is the taste? Have you had cappuccino before? How is the taste? Cappuccino जस्तै छ.
Like I don't like it.
So personally, both of us don't like cappuccino. I don't actually know how the cappuccino tastes, but I will give this a 7 out of 10. We still have our last spot left. They basically make the coffee in a pressure cooker, so it is their specialty. So let's see how the coffee actually tastes. Apparently, I think both of us today are going to be sleep deprived because we've had so much of coffee that we cannot even digest the coffee now. We're done with the coffee.
And also we had a little funny moment.
Not to be disclosed.
Yeah, which is a little private.
Beep,
but
beep, beep, beep.